If you're getting the error, the F9 error, F as in Frank 9, on your GE profile oven, I'm going to help you troubleshoot fixing it. First thing I want you to do is tap the clear off button, and you might have to hold it down, or it might be cancel off on your particular model, and just hold it down for 5 to 10 seconds and then keep tapping it and seeing if that will clear it. A lot of times that error comes on because you did a self clean and you're not able to get the door open. You'll notice that it's locked because you did a clean. If that's the case and it had just cleaned your oven, that's actually it's a protection so you don't open it up after it's cleaned and it's still too hot. Go ahead and give it a good hour and then come back and then tell me if that error is still on. If that is, you're going to have to try to reset it, your oven. So what you need to do is unplug it. And I know it's not feasible to unplug it from the wall for most people. So what I want you to do is go to your circuit board, locate your circuit board that will connect your oven, and then turn it off from the circuit board and give it about 5 minutes. Come back, turn it on, and then see if that reset it and turn your oven back on. So hopefully that gave you a solution to fix it. Make sure you subscribe and like the video.